Hi and welcome. My name is Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogger and creator. And I just want to start by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content. You come back for more. Today, I want to talk about how to turn your iPhone into a webcam. Now, at the present time, I've been using my iPhone 5S as a webcam, and it really works good. I was going to sell it at one point. I said, you know what? Why sell it when I could use this here as another webcam? Now, I have a total of 5 webcams, so with this one here as a webcam makes a total of 6. And a lot of you guys are probably wondering, why would all the webcam? What's with all the webcams? Well, as you can see over here, I'm in a different software package right now. I have different cameras, webcams set up for different angle shoots. So I don't have it right now because I'm using a different software package, but I'm not using that just yet, but that's the purpose of it there. So if I can take different angles, one this way, that way, if I want to do one just shining, looking at my desk and stuff like that, that's when I use that particular software package. But what I want to show you guys today is how to turn your iPhone. This is an iPhone 8, and I'm going to show you how to download the software, and it's going to have to be done on the desktop and on your iPhone in order to make this work. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to split screen here, and as you can see over here, yes, that's my screen share. We're going to get to that in a second, but over here, I'm going to move them right down over here. You're going to see this program here. I'm going to drop the link below for you, so if you guys want to use it, I think you'll like it. And you might say, well, what purpose would I have need for it? Well, as a webcam, you could take it and just go to be freehand with it. I'll show you that in a second, what's good about it. You guys might like it. All right, I know it wants to go on here. Okay, we're gonna get to that in a second. Anyway, if you look over here in the software, it's gonna keep popping up. Let me just minimize this guy, there we go. All right, you're gonna see you got 2 different, well, there's another one over here. But I'm gonna just talk about the ones that I basically deal with. You got the Windows webcam for Windows, okay, and this is the latest version 2.7.8, right? And then you got the one for webcam for Mac, same thing, well, different version, of course, 2.8.3, and that's the one you would use for a Mac system. So I already downloaded this. It's already on my computer here. It's on my desktop. You can see right over here. See it? It's right there. And in order to make this thing work, what you're going to do is you're going to have to download it first. But before, download it on the desktop first, and then we're going to go to the phone here, and I'm going to show you do a split screen share here. I'm going to do a split screen share, and we're going to go over here, and I'm going to do a screen share actually, and we're going to go in here. Let me just type it in again. My phone times out. Sorry about that. Okay, now what I want to do is show you guys what we're going to be looking for. Okay, we're going to go to the App Store. We're going to click that on, and you're going to go to search. Okay, you're going to go to search on here, and in the search bar, you're going to type in IRIUN, and you're going to see right over here it already popped up iron webcam. I'm going to click that on, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at my thing. I'm touching the mouse. I'm supposed to be touching the phone. What do you call it? The iPhone here. Okay, and what you want to do is this one right here. This is the one you want. Okay, right here. This is the one. I know you would think it would say for iPhone, right? That's the way it works. Trust me. I tested it out already. Been using this for quite some time now, so it works good. Believe me. All right, so you're going to click that on there, or I should say, in this case, hit it with your finger here, and it's going to download. Okay, it downloads pretty quick. All right, and what you're going to do is you're going to open. Well, actually, what I want to do is I want to show you after it uploads, I want to go actually to the icon here because it's going to give you a different message. So let's go over here to let's bump out of here because I want you to see the message that you're going to get. So let's go over here again. Let's bump out here. Okay, now if you look over here. Right here, it's gonna show up as a webcam. That's how you know you got to download. So I'm gonna press it on here, and you're gonna get this message come up. Okay, this is normal. Okay, you're gonna see this message. I can't move it around. Can I move this around? No, it's gonna all stay together. Okay, it's gonna say IRN webcam would like to find and connect to your device to your local network. Okay, you're gonna hit over here on the phone. You're gonna hit allow. Okay, then it's gonna say it's like to access your camera. You're gonna say okay. You're gonna do that. And access your microphone, and you're going to click OK for that one. Now it'll say IRN webcam turns your iPhone into a wireless webcam. Install needed drivers and use your mobile camera in your PC or Mac as a webcam. Pretty cool. And then I'll say let's go over here, right? It's just a prompt that comes up. All right, so now that we got that, we're going to click this on here, and I'm going to move this down here, and now we're going to click this guy on. Okay, and you get this message, no phones available. It is. You know how I know it is? Because that screen just turned dark, and I got my webcam is face down. I should say my iPhone's face down. All right, and you're probably wondering what's great about it. Well, for example, this is where it comes in handy. Like I'm using this, I'm going to use this as an example. Here is my iPhone 5S. It's mounted here on my desk here. As you can see, I use that as a webcam. Over here, I'm going to just talk a little about it. Here I got an HP, right? That's the HP 3100. On the top over here, I got the C920. Here's a Logitech Brio, which is what's recording right now, and that little split screen there. Oh yeah, I didn't turn that one on. That's going to be a webcam as well. If I turn that on, I'll have all these webcams on here. That one over there is HP. Okay, that's the HP, I think 5400, something like that. And over there is the HP, the Logitech C920. I don't know if I said that there. This was a C922, right? I don't know, because sometimes they get messed up with these here. But anyway, I got 5 webcams here, see? But the purpose of this here is I like to shoot at different angles. But what's nice about this here, with that set aside, without that one there, not using that one, what's nice about this here, I could take this mobile. Let's say if I wanted to walk around, and right now, check this out, folks. Right now, this is recording on the Filmora 12 video editing software, okay, which is pretty cool. Now, I'm in my house here, and I've got the Wi-Fi hooked up. If I wanted to walk outside and show you something, not that I would, not that I need to do that, but it's mobile. I mean, you can take your phone and move it, go do things with it. What I would like to do, I was thinking about, because I was watching some other YouTubers out there, if I want to get a desk view shot like this here, I have the mount for it here, and just like put it on a tripod and have it hanging over, but it would go behind my monitor, and I could do a desk view shot here, which is pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, this is why, if you got my attention, why I got your attention there. This is this new stuff I picked up. There's my Blue Yeti mic. That's what I'm using to record right now. But yeah, but it's really cool, and I think you guys can make use of it. I know I could if I wanted to do it. Like I said, if I wanted to show you something, I want it to be mobile. I'm not like fixed to it, So I think you guys know where I'm going with this here. I think it might be helpful to you guys. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And you want to know the funny thing about it? I can walk outside right now. This thing will still be recording on my video, the Filmora 12, which is pretty cool. I mean, I could pause it, of course. I would do. Actually, I wouldn't drive you guys crazy seeing me walking around, but I would actually pause my software program there, and then pick it up where I came, where I left off. But isn't that cool? And yeah, it's good for, like I said, doing demo purposes, or you want to show somebody something and whatever. So that's basically it. So I hope you guys like this here. It's really cut and dry. If you have any problems, drop a comment below if you need some additional information there. I mean, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you listen, I welcome all comments. I don't mind, so if you're stuck in something, or if something's not working properly, reach out to me in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to, assist you in any way I can, But, well, that's all I have for you right now. So I hope you'll take advantage of this here. Turn your phone into an iPhone, it's a webcam. Like I said, I use this little guy too. This one here, the only reason I'm using this one here is because it's a screen share, okay? I could even turn this one on too, and you would see how it works too, because this has got the same software package in it. It's got the same iRun webcam on here. I didn't know something. I wonder if that would work though. Nah, it probably causes a conflict. Too many cameras in here. But anyway, check it out if you get a chance. All right, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you liked this video. Hope you got a takeaway from it. And if you did, like I said, drop it below. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, hopefully as a creator, and you like this video, or if you checked out any of my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post new videos, please hit that notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. And I also want to say this to all the new YouTubers out there, as I like to say in closing my videos. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success, and go out there, make those videos. And the other things I always like to tell you guys, keep it real, keep it original, let the channel grow organically. And the other two most important things as well, is good thumbnails and titles. I will talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.